In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a domain not pointing to Cloudways. If you've connected a custom domain in Cloudways, but your site still shows errors like this site can't be reached or server IP address could not be found, the issue is usually with DNS settings, old records from a previous host, or the domain not being properly added inside Cloudways. The good news is that this is very fixable, and I'll walk you through the full process clearly. First, log into your Cloudways account and open the Applications tab. Select the website you want to connect. On the Access Details page, look for the field labeled Public IP. This is the server IP address your domain needs to point to. Copy that value carefully so you don't make any typing mistakes later. Next, open a new browser tab and go to the domain registrar where you purchased your domain. This could be any registrar as long as it gives you access to DNS settings. Find your domain, then open the area called DNS Management, Name Servers, or Advanced DNS. Once you're there, review the existing DNS records. If you notice old A records or parking records pointing to a previous host, delete them. Conflicting A records are a very common reason domains fail to load properly because traffic may be split between different servers. Now add a new A record. Set the host to the @ symbol, then paste in the Cloudways public IP as the value or target. Leave TTL set to automatic if that option is available. Then save the record. After that, add one more record, this time a syname record. Set the host to www and point it to your root domain, meaning the main version of your domain without extra formatting. Save that as well. With the DNS changes in place, open another tab and visit a DNS lookup tool such as what's mydns.net. Enter your domain, choose a record, and run the search. You want to see the locations around the world resolving to the same Cloudways IP address. Keep in mind that DNS propagation can take anywhere from a few minutes to up to 24 hours. So if everything looks partly updated, that can still be normal. Now go back to Cloudways and open domain management inside the same application. Click Add Domain. Enter your full custom domain and save the changes. Then find that domain in the list, open its options, and set it as the primary domain. This tells Cloudways to serve your application from that domain correctly. Finally, test the site in a private or incognito browser window. Make sure the website loads as expected and that there are no remaining domain errors. Once it works there, your connection is correctly set up and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you